Positive emotions fade away easily, but negative emotions can easily link together and grow, like an endless chain. In moments like that, try transforming that negative energy into a desire to break free. That shift in feeling naturally leads to a shift in thinking. You start asking, what do I need to reach this goal? Maybe it's money, time, or the right situation. Then unexpectedly, the answer shows up in a form you didn't expect. It might be a job you once loved, a familiar flow, a connected person, or a brilliant idea out of nowhere. When that happens, yes, you attracted it, feel grateful, and catch that opportunity. Sometimes, though, you might face sudden, unexpected blocks on your way to your goal. But maybe that's actually a signpost guiding you toward a better path waiting for you. A path that takes you there faster, with less resistance and more naturally. To summarize how the shift of attraction works, first, consciously shift your emotion to the feeling of let's break free. Second, in your subconscious, start asking, what might I need? And the process of crafting a gift begins. Third, receive that gift created in your subconscious and catch it. Finally, arrive in reality at the place you desire to be. It all begins truly with a shift in emotion. I'll explore this technique in more detail next session. This has been MariCircuit. Thank you for being here.